What is up, my guys? Today we are playing some Iron Snout. If you don't know what this game is, you basically beat up wolves as a pig. Going Ultra Instinct. Well, your pig is a master of the martial arts. Babushka's basket. Coming right up. Right, 2 axe people. Yeah. Chainsaw Man. Right, thank you for the chainsaw. You'll be going Super Saiyan. Damn it, I died! No! Time to beat some walls. Just like my guy said. Yeah. Here comes Babushka. Babushka's basket. Never beaten. Grambushka's axe. Why is it that every weapon in this game is weak? No, I mean it like breaks instantly. That's what I mean. If you are thinking. Eyes glued to the screen. Please don't care. I died. No. Who wanna take turns to get beaten? 1, 2, 3, 4. Babushka, you are unbeaten. Ha. I am legendary. Quake before the help me. After playing countless games, I realized that my high score is impossible to beat. But I don't care. I will keep trying. Huh. It means get destroyed. Focus on me. Fine. Babushka's basket never fail. God damn it. So, next game that we'll be playing is Crazy Cars. I don't know why, but I grew to love this game in like 5 hours. 5 hours. I do not care. However, this game is available in full screen. If I get full screen to work. I get full screen to work. I unlock this car called Prince and Horse. Now I can go do 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 do. That's what I meant. If you didn't care. It means go on. It. Game laggy is here. Get my XP up. Crash but not die. And get flown by train. Follow train until you fail. Oh, plan actually worked. Collected the massive wrench. Now I'm gonna go to car. Do 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 do. Well, I really ain't any much explaining to do onto this game. So, next game that we'll be playing, by the way, I'll be saying this every time, is Little Alchemy 2. As you see, I've started a little bit onto this game. City. No, do city merge now. City mud. City house. City village. House village. House. Oh my god. I will just move. Now what does next? Hints. That's pretty much it. Whoa. Clean up. Geyser. Mud. Gunpowder. Air. Brick. City. Dust. Earth. Explosion. Fire. Geyser to geyser. Gunpowder. House. Mood. Yeah. Actually, steam. Village. Wall. Water. There ain't anything there, guys, I can do. Yeah, this game real boring. This game real stupid. And for the remaining 2 minutes, because my stupid recorder don't let me go for longer than 15 minutes, I shall play this Blungy rocket. Blungy. It's a funny name. Let's go. Boost 1 million. I call it Nuka. Flying in my game. As I get 1,000. That was easy. Well, as we have only 30 seconds left, then goodbye. See you in next vid. And well, goodbye. Bye bye. See you in next vid. All I have to say.